Wow, so here I am across from my nail shop. It's over there, nail art over there. I'm here at Ali's BP gas station. So busy. Look at that. It's so busy. So busy. I am one of the few people. I'm one of. Okay, he's one. I'm two, three, four, five, six, seven. So he has 8 stations, but there are 7 cars already. Okay. There he is. That's the smoke shop right there. And then on there say smoke shop also. Say right there, smoke shop. That is a smoke shop. But inside, see it say cigar. But inside there's angler. See that? He has bait shop also, okay? Very cool, right? 1 minute, I'll stop. 1, 2, 3, 4.